In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to average wind directions in Excel. This is a really useful technique because wind direction is circular data, which means you can't always average it the same way you would average regular numbers. For example, directions near 0 degrees and 360 degrees are actually very close to each other, so a normal average can give misleading results. That's why we'll use X and Y components first, and then convert those back into a final mean direction. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a simple example worksheet. In column A, enter a header like wind direction, and then in cells A2 through A6, type the following values in degrees: 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. These will be the sample wind directions we'll use for the calculation. Next, we'll calculate the X components of each direction. Click into cell B2 and enter this formula. Equals sin, open parenthesis, radians, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This converts the degree value into radians and then calculates the sign, which gives us the X component. Once you've entered the formula, copy it down through the remaining rows so it fills cells B3 to B6. After that, calculate the Y components. Click into cell C2 and type equals COS, open parenthesis, radians, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This gives the Y component for each wind direction. Just like before, copy that formula down through C6 so every direction has a matching Y value. Now, we'll average those components. In a separate area of the sheet, calculate the average X value by entering equals average, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6, close parenthesis. Place that result in cell E2. Then calculate the average Y value with equals average, open parenthesis, C2 colon C6, close parenthesis, and place that in cell E3. Once you have the average X and average Y values, you're ready to calculate the mean wind direction. Click into cell E4 and enter this formula. Equals MOD, open parenthesis, degrees, open parenthesis, ATAN2, open parenthesis, E2, E3, close parenthesis, comma 360, close parenthesis. This converts the averaged components back into an angle and makes sure the result stays within a full 360-degree range. In this example, the result is 50 degrees. Since the original directions are evenly distributed around 50 degrees, the mean direction comes out exactly to 50, and that's how to correctly average wind directions in Excel.